Can we talk about us like we care about us? Can we talk about love like we care about love? You say let it breathe, but this pain of my heart can't let it be. We both can agree. Tell me what is the point of nothing burns like the cool days. Can we talk about us like we care about us? Can we talk about love like we care about love? We can let it be, 'cause we live in a time of make-believe. We both can agree that we're reaching the point of nothing burns like the cool days.
Whatever goes around eventually comes back to you. So you gotta be careful, baby, and look both ways before you cross my mind.
Did you ever wonder? Yeah, do you ever wonder what he might be going through on his own and the demons that he's facing alone? I hate that sometimes I can't go home and it just ain't the same on the phone, no. But everybody's gotta go on, don't they?
Yes, we do, baby.
So if you need a hero, just look in the mirror. No one's gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. And everybody's hurting, everybody's going through it, but you just can't give up now, 'cause you gotta save yourself.
Yeah, I gotta hang on, baby.
The sun will come out, nothing good ever comes easy. I know times are rough, but winners don't quit, so don't you give up. The sun will come out, but we've been struggling endlessly, someday we'll find the love. 'Cause after the storms, when the flowers bloom.
Looking at me through your window, boy, you had your eye out for a little.
I've cut you up and make you dinner. You've reached the end, you are the winner.
Rolling down your tinted window, driving next to me real slow. He said,
Let me take you for a joyride. I'm glad you came before you inside.
saying tag, you're in, tag, tag, you're in. He's saying tag, you're in, tag, tag, you're in. Little bit of poison in me, I can taste your skin in my teeth.